The Bangladesh government must release him, support Arsa in its struggles for Arkan liberation. The Rohingya people need the solidarity of Bangladesh public and governments. The Bangladesh governments must release him, stand with justice. Free Abu Ammar now.
Free Abu Ammar Junoni, the chief commando of ARSA. He is not a criminal. He is the protector of Rohingya community. He is the respected, honorable freedom fighter of Rohingya community. He have done a lot of good work for the Rohingya community. The Bangladesh government have to check it out what he have done for the community of Rohingya. He is not a criminal. He should be released by the government of Bangladesh immediately.
কিছু বাংলাদেশের মুসলমান ভাই কিছু বাংলাদেশ
Assalamu alaikum. My dear respected Bangladeshi brothers and sisters, I am in front of you to say something about Abu Ammar Junoni. Free Abu Ammar Junoni now. The commander-in-chief of ARSA is a protector of the Rohingya community, not a criminal. Abu Ammar Junoni is a Rohingya respected and honorable leader of the freedom fighters. Bangladesh must release him immediately. Free Abu Ammar, stand with justice. Assalamu alaikum. My dear respected Bangladeshi brothers and